Hey, hi. I know guys, there are many of you who wanted to make money online within your mobile phone, tab or your computer, but you don't know how and you don't want to invest any money and you wanted to do this for completely free. So I did some research from myself and I get this very nice system where you can earn at least hundreds of dollars without doing any hard task. What you have to do is just copy and paste, and I even did the hardest part for you. So if you are interested, then stay tuned with me. And before watching this video, meet with our channel Discover Unix. Here we will honestly try to give you the best ideas to earn money online. So please hit the red subscribe button and give a thumbs up to get reach into more people. Now without wasting any time, let's get it started. Okay, the very first thing you have to do to log in into your Gmail account. One more thing guys, you can easily do the complete process in your mobile phone or tab, but for your comfort guys, I'm doing the whole process on my computer screen. Now the second thing you have to do, come over the website named shrinkme.io. I have put the link in the description below. You can easily join from there. This site is seen right here. It is generally an advertisement managing site. Here you can earn up to $220 for every 10,000 clicks. Here you have to complete just 3 steps. At first, create an account, then put a link that you wanted to shorten and paste it in the worldwide platforms. Whenever someone click on that link, you can get paid for that. How simple is that? You can see the payout rates here. When someone click from Greenland, you will get paid $22 for every 1,000 clicks. And the rates are changing in country base. When someone click from United States or United Kingdom, you will get paid $7 for every 1,000 clicks. And also, you can see they are paying in every single day. You can see the payment proof here, and they are paying from more than 1 year, so you won't be get scammed. And you can get paid from Bitcoin, PayPal, Payer, Webmonies, Airtime, Perfect Money, Paytm and bank transfer. Many of you guys thinking that is not an easy task. Who will click on my link? But don't worry guys, Discover Unix will help you in the whole process. So stay tuned at the end of the video and subscribe for more. Now at first, you have to register in this site. I put my joining link in the description below. You can easily join from there. Then click on the register button and choose your username, email address, and after giving the password, you have to complete the CAPTCHA and agree to the terms and conditions. Then click on the register button. After complete that, you have to log in into your account. You can see the dashboard of the website like this. Then here you will see all those things you have did, like your clicks, your earnings. So now at first you have to shorten that link from which you wanted to earn. So now the main point is, what links should you shorten? The answer is, you have to short those links which can give some benefits to the audience. We will post this link into the social media platforms cause there we have already so much reach, and if the link is not informative, your post cannot be reaching to more people. And I'm showing you what type of links should you short and which is the best platform to get reach into more posts. I think many of you know about Quora, and for them who don't know about Quora, it is a platform like a social media where many people ask their questions into a post and the persons who know that they answer into the post. You can easily add your short links there. To join here, search in Google Quora.com or download Quora app in Play Store. You know, in Facebook there are many of audience are added with a specific group, but in Quora it is called stage. Then you have to find some questions like this, and you have to give value into your post. At first, search help tips. Then choose your search results here into states. Here you can see that a lots of people are posting their questions every single day. Now you can give an answers here or tips into your post like search in Google. Here you can see there are lots of valuable articles here and people will get value from here. Now you have to copy the articles link and come into shrinkme.io. and paste the link here. Now click this shorten button and you will see a short link here. Copy this link and paste into your notepad. Now in headline, you can write best health tips to keep your body and mind ultra fit in 2022. Now copy the whole text. This is the main thing. Now here, if anyone click on the link, you can get money. Now post more and more and give answers. You can also post in the social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and anywhere. Now, don't waste your time. Get started from now. Link has provided in the description below. And Discover Unix will give you a lots of better trusted site like this. So please hit the red subscribe button to stay tuned with us and give a thumbs up to get more reach. See you soon guys with a new unique thing. Have a nice time guys. Take care. Bye.